Stop blaming your rinse technique. Stop assuming you missed a spot. If the glass looks perfect when it's wet but starts spotting as it dries, the problem isn't your skill, it's your water. Until you control that, your results will never be consistent. Many window cleaners don't realize that the issue isn't how they're cleaning. It's what they're cleaning with. Tap water contains dissolved minerals you can't see during the rinse. Once it evaporates, those minerals stay behind. And that's what your clients notice. This is where pure water comes in. Resin tanks and inline water filters are what actually create pure water. As water passes through the resin, dissolved minerals are removed, dropping TDS levels to near zero. The result is water that dries clean, no residue, no spotting. Inline filters are ideal for smaller jobs or when you're connecting directly to a water source, while resin tanks provide higher capacity for longer or more demanding work. In both cases, they take control of water quality before it ever touches the surface. Once you have pure water, the next question becomes, how do you deliver it efficiently on the job? That's where the AquaSpray Pro lineup comes in. These systems are designed to store, pump, and deliver purified water wherever you need it, without relying on your client's tap. The AquaSpray Pro 16 is built for maximum mobility. This backpack system carries over 4 gallons of purified water, weighs just 13 pounds empty, and runs on a rechargeable battery. No hoses, no spigots. Ideal for rooftops, backyards, and tight access areas. The AquaSpray Pro 20 steps up capacity to over 5 gallons in a rolling tank design. Park it centrally, use the retractable waterline, and work efficiently across larger areas without carrying the load. For larger commercial jobs, the AquaSpray Pro 45 offers a 12-gallon tank. Fewer refills mean more uptime, faster completion, and consistent results across big properties. At the top of the lineup is the AquaSpray Pro 60. With a 16-gallon tank, rugged steel frame, and a built-in 300-foot hose and reel, it's designed for large commercial sites where reach and productivity matter most. Remember, your ideal setup depends on your workflow. Resin tanks or inline filters create the pure water. AquaSpray Pro tanks deliver it on-site. From the mobile AquaSpray Pro 16 to the heavy-duty AquaSpray Pro 60, there's a solution for every scale. Control the water first, then the delivery, and you'll get faster jobs and a consistently spot-free finish.
It's about working smarter with the right system.